Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good evening. Let me present you the new chapter of Miss Ku and Miss Su, chapter 107, part 2. So here it is. Let's read the story. To Su Hishi, you remember that you asked me to sign an autograph for your little niece when we were performing in the River Forgetfulness, and you promised me three conditions at that time. Right now, it's a dull pain on her heart. Well, it was really painful to Suhishi, especially Xiaojing. She became too far at this moment. Xiaojing answered and said, but looking at her eyes, it's like a lifeless, and there's no life, pin left on her. At that time, I'm only mentions two conditions. He still had to redeem the last condition. So Hishi said, now I want to redeem the last condition. I hope. So Hishi suddenly paused. Well, probably she wanted to request something from her. I hope you didn't give the ring back to me. You can do whatever you want with it, just don't give it back to me. Now saying this, Suhishi, really painful. That's why she was crying. Sojin said, but suddenly Suhishi interrupted and said, this is not a very difficult condition, is it? Well, she really felt the urgency to push through forwards towards Xiaojing, so she can able to give back the ring to her. Xiaojing, right now, she seems to be hesitating. Of course, she really want to break off with her, but the ring is really a hindrance for her. The brink of ice, Xiaojing said, okay, I promise you. Oh, this girl, right now, has really been cruel. Xiaojing, these things between us. Is there really no turning point? Oh, Xiaoshu, looking at her, seems to be funny, but this is really a serious matter. I said everything that I needs to be said. In short, you have to take good care of yourself. You are so good, you will soon pick out one of those who love you that you like more. Well, Suhishi said, so, I wish you a happy holiday. Oh, it turns out, Suhishi, did she really accept Xiaojing terms? Especially right now. Suhishi, she kept herself silent. She was only standing her, like standing in the cold breeze of the snow. Thanks, Xiaojing said, bye now. Suhishi, she answered and said goodbye. Well, leaving her alone, standing on the hallway. Xiaojing really left her. She was walking through to be able to take her flight. Right now, Suhishi, she was sobbing and also gritted her teeth. Of course, it was really painful, but for the last time right now, Suhishi suddenly screamed, Xiaojing. Xiaojing looked back at her. Well, this is really hurtful, especially Suhishi. She really can accept that Xiaojing is really leaving her like this. Xiaojing, when she looked back, Suhishi, you. Right now, Suhishi's look, turns out she was really crying hard. Her face is really a mess. Sorry, I still can't give up on you. Suhishi said to her, well, at this moment, you really need to calm down, especially Suhishi. So, Xiaojing, she returned back, you can really coax her again. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and do comments and turn on the notification bell to keep you posted on my daily updates. Hey guys, membership is already open. For those who want to support, you can join by clicking the join membership, or you can directly support me on Ko-Fi. Thank you, bye!